Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this really simple half cut crease look using the new 24G palette by Morphe. So for the side look, we're going to keep it super simple and stick to 3 shades only. We're going to start off by using the color Frenchie as our transition shade to help us blend the rest of the colors together. We're going to continue by applying the shade Mooch in the center of our crease and blend that color upwards to the previous shade. We're going to grab the same brush we used to apply our transition shade and just blend those colors together. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to be grabbing my TNT foundations in the shade 2W to cut our crease. And the easiest trick for me that works is I apply a little bit of the concealer by my eyelash line and look up, and it gives you the perfect guide to cut your crease with. And guys, please remember to take your time cutting the crease because this is one of the most important steps in the entire eye look. We're going to pack on the color Glaze. This is a shimmery shadow, so I'm not going to be setting the concealer with any translucent powder, so that way the pigment appears brighter than usual. I'm going to be going in with the 2 previous shades, Frenchie and Mooch, to help me feather in the concealer so it's not too harsh on the eye. Remember guys that our goal in this entire makeup look or any other makeup look is to blend. Just continue blending until your hand's about to fall off. I'm going to be grabbing my eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes just a little bit, just so they blend in with my falsies. I'm going to be grabbing one of my favorite pairs of lashes from the Morphe collection. These are in the style Eye Attraction. The easiest way for me to apply my eyelashes is by looking down and just simply laying the eyelash in the center of my eyelid and pulling it from the outer corner of my eye, and it fits perfectly onto my eye. Now we're going to continue with my face. For my primer today, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite primer, the Smashbox Photo Finish Stick Primer. This is honestly my favorite primer. I can't use anything else. It's either this one or the other version of it. I'm going to be grabbing my Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. If you guys really know me, you guys know that this is my all-time favorite foundation. Like, it's either this one or the TNT Cosmetics one. I will not switch to anything else unless I end up loving something else, but as of now, those 2 foundations are my go-to. In the description box below, I'm going to be linking all the brushes that I am going to be using for my entire look today. I am going to be grabbing a flat brush to clean up the top of my brow with my foundation, so that way I don't ruin my brows with the bigger brush. I'm gonna grab a little disposable sponge just to help me pack in my foundation and remove any streaks left behind by the brush. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I'm gonna grab my little disposable sponge again and just blend my concealer everywhere. I know you guys are asking yourself, why is she using a disposable sponge? I don't know, I have personally love them because they actually do get the job done. And I mean, I don't have to be cleaning my beauty sponge every single time. And this one, I grab it, use it, and throw it away. Simple and easy as that. I do like to grab my foundation brush again and just blend the concealer and the foundation together. I'm gonna be grabbing the famous Airspun translucent powder to bake my under eyes and to set the rest of my face. I know some people say that this powder gives flashbacks, but to be honest guys, this gives zero flashbacks to me. It's one of my all-time favorite translucent powders. The smell of it, the texture is absolutely great. I'm gonna grab my Hoola bronzer and just bronze my entire face because girl, you be looking like Casper right now. I love using the brush it comes with just because the bristles are super soft and it really does blend the bronzer to the places you need it. Grab that translucent powder again and just cut that contour because homegirl's trying to get that perfect jawline. Now it's time to snatch that nose, and for that I'm going to be using the same product, the Hoola bronzer. It's time to dust off our under eye powder so that way we could continue with the blush. I'm not much of a blush person, but I did fall in love with this mauve pink color by Pixie. Now it's time to brush off the rest of our translucent powder. I'm gonna go in and lock all my foundation together, and I'm gonna be using the Skindinavia setting spray. Guys, if you're oily, like extremely oily, I highly do recommend this setting spray. I'm going in with the shade Sunray from the ABH Ultimate Glow Kit palette. On our bottom eyelash line, I'm going to be packing on the two shades we applied on our crease. Sorry for my ugly faces, guys. I kept getting powder inside of my eyeball. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be grabbing the same shimmery eyeshadow we used to set our concealer with. Since we are trying to keep this entire look somewhat natural, I went in with a lip gloss by Too Faced. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial using the new 24G palette by Morphe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this on my channel. Feel free to hit me up on my social media with any recommendations, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys.